Okay, so I do have a really good suggestion for YouTube. Why don't you change your name from YouTube to TikTok? I mean, come on, yeah. Most of the video on the trending section is from YouTube Short. Basically, this is a TikTok. In India, TikTok just got banned because of YouTube. Did you have any idea of that? All the stuff they are doing on YouTube was already available on a TikTok before the ban, obviously. Believe me or not, the complete trending page of YouTube is just filled with the YouTube Shorts. Mr. Roshan, Sadiq Ahmed. I just don't want to take the name of the channel. Just believe me guys, the trending section of YouTube is getting worse and worse. Okay, so now you guys were thinking that why I'm speaking in English. I really want to do an experiment that you guys like my content in English or not. So this section of the vlog is kind of experiment on you guys, that you guys liked it or not. If you do not like it, I can continue in Hindi. I'm having no problem with no language, man. The every possible language I know, I can speak into it and I can vlog into it. Okay, so this is a kind of a place where something is happening all the time. You can see over there something is going on. I don't know it's from a government or from a private organization. I just don't know and don't really care about. I mean, this is a kind of a busy place. It's a Dasnabe Chauraha. It's not a center of Lucknow, but it's kind of a political center of Lucknow where every freaking goddamn government thing happens. So there are too many garbage trucks over there. Probably this is kind of an inauguration or something of these things. Okay, so this is an inauguration ceremony of these garbage trucks. I don't know what you should call them, but I'm calling it a garbage. What are you doing, uncle? These guys just break the signal. Yeah, uncle, just go and break the signal already. Okay, so for today, I think there will be a shortage in Lucknow of buses because all the buses are standing over here in front of a Khatu Shyam. You can see here, it's a very long queue of buses. Probably all the buses from Lucknow are standing over here. I think this is for the rally of something. Okay, so my camera was lying here for past 20 minutes or so, and I'm just waiting for these buses to just get fast away from this park because these buses are making a hell lot of noise. I mean, every possible car, every possible motorcycle, every possible buses are just landing over here, and I'm just waiting for a time when a fighter jet will land on this park. Yes, you can see this. It's loose actually. I think probably this is time for me to go away from this park because I just can't vlog inside here. It's too noisy. अरे यार भाई साहब, मैं क्या करता हूँ यार. I'm really sorry guys. अगर गाली निकलती है ना तो हिंदी में ही निकलती है. Okay, so today is Wednesday, and in case you don't know, in Lucknow there's a Wednesday market in Mahanagar, and I just completely forget that today is a Wednesday, and I just went right to here. What the hell? It is called in Hindi a Budh Bazaar. So this is a Budh Bazaar. I just went directly through it. Oh my god, the crowd. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a Budh Bazaar. It's on full-fledged. I just do not want to stop here and record for you guys. I'm not going to take a risk of getting a challan. अरे फिर लूज हो गया. Yeah, just show your hand, and with a magic power, every car will stop on its own. You're just crossing a road and show the hand like this. You are a Goku, and the car approaching to you will stop instantly. Why this camera is not focusing on me, sir? Arey, just focus, sir. It's too bright here. Now, okay, now it's focused. Okay, so do you guys remember that what in the morning I've told you about this place? That this place was 100% every time occupied. Every time something is happening over here, there's some news reporting going on, and also there's a protest is also going on. There's a protest going on. There's also a reporter of some TV news. I don't know. What can I say? And also the things are getting hotter here. I hope that no violence happen over here. I do not want to witness anything, and also I do not want to get into any kind of violence. So let me finish my vlog and then I'll leave. I do not care about all these things. Okay, so as you can see that it's night over here and there's nothing to show you guys. There's absolutely pitch black behind me. As you can see, you should go home and just take a rest. And this is the first time you're on this channel, so kindly subscribe to this channel as frequently as possible because I'm doing a daily vlog. If you do not subscribe to my channel, then how we gonna meet to each other? Okay, so kindly subscribe to this channel. I'm doing a daily. I'm sorry for that horn. You know what? The bus guy or the car guy, they just honk for no reason at all. Not only the bus guy and the car guy, the every possible vehicle just honk for no reason at all. I just do not understand what's the logic behind that. So if you're new to this channel, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel because I'm doing a daily vlogging. Okay, so kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you're liking my content, so kindly hit the like button down below. And yes, we're gonna meet in next vlog. What do you mean by next vlog, sir? We're gonna meet tomorrow. I'm doing a daily vlog, sir. Okay, so chalo, bye. There's a protest going on, and also a news reporter guy. As you have noticed that this vlog was completely in English, and okay, I've used a few Hindi words. And also this was the experiment vlog that you guys will like it or not. If you like it, if you love this vlog, so kindly comment down below that you're liking it. So kindly do let me know that you like this vlog or not. Let me take a leave. Bye bye. Okay, so I mind my own business. Okay, there was full-on political thing going on. There's too much of traffic over here. Okay, so bye.